How to link bank account on Cash App. If you want to link your bank account on Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, this is the kind of interface you will see. So you can particularly come to this option that you would be able to find there, or you can tap on the profile icon from the top right. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you will see this interface. Here you'll find an option that says linked banks. So you can simply go to that linked banks option, and once you've done that, here you'll be able to find the option called link your bank account. So here you can tap and continue, follow on with the instructions of selecting your bank, logging into your online or web banking if you have to, verify it, and your particular bank account will be successfully linked. This way you can link bank account on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.